What up? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to create an llm.txt file in WordPress. Now, if you don't know what an llm.txt file is, it's a file that allows AI tools to crawl your website so they can show them and you get more traffic. So let's look at Google and see what Google says about it. It said it's a plain text file written in Markdown and placed in the website's root directory. It acts as a lightweight roadmap or cheat sheet, giving AI agents and language models a clean, low-noise summary of a site's most important content and links. So robots.txt, they pretty much tell web crawlers what they cannot access, and llms.txt, they highlight the best content AI should read on your website. This is super important, especially in this day and age when SEO has taken a different turn. All right, so there are two ways you can do this. The first way is you can do it manually, and you have to go into your root directory to your hosting platform to do this, or you can do this in an easy way. So one of the places you want to go to on your WordPress dashboard is plugins. I want to click on add plugin. I'm going to show you two ways to do this automatically. And you can search for Rank Math. Rank Math is an SEO tool, WordPress. And I already have Rank Math installed. So one of the things you want to do is set up your account on Rank Math, go straight to it, and you want to head over to dashboard on Rank Math, and you want to scroll down to where it says llms.txt. By the way, I'm going to link this in the description below so you guys have it. So you want to check the box, and then once you've checked the box, it's already installed the file for you. And then you just want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have it right here. It already tells you your llm.txt file is available at, and it shows you that. And then I want to select the post types that it should read. So I want it to read my posts and my pages. You can also select taxonomies like categories or tags, and it's cool. And then ask you post/terms limit. So is it 50? Mine right now is 50, which is the maximum number of links to include for each post type. Already saved. And you can always view it by just right-clicking your website, and it's going to show you. So it's already been there. So it tells you generated by Rank Math SEO. This is an llm.txt file designed to help LLMs better understand and index this website. Another tool you can use, if you head back to plugins, you're going to click on add plugin. You're going to type in LLM, and this is right here. So there are multiple over here, but you can just go with the first one. Go with website llms.txt. Click on install now. I click on activate. So you just click on activate. You're gonna head over to where was it? Okay, this is right here, website llm.txt. Click on settings, and then it's going to give you a file status. That's another way to do it. And it says no llm.txt found in root directory. You want it to be in root directory, so just click on generate now, and it's gonna generate. Depending on the amount of posts you have, it may take a little bit more time, but it's fine. Okay, and that's it right there. And so you got it over here. So if I just go ahead and click on it, they show you guys, and this is right here. So this is how it's arranged it for AI to view it, and obviously constantly generate. So this is what it gave me right here. Welcome to Success Tech Services, where we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. And so you have it right there. And if you go over, where is it at? So it's under your tools. So if you can't see it in plugins, just go under tools, and you're gonna see llms.txt. And so it's gonna ask you, select and order the post types to include your llms.txt. Right now I selected all my posts and all my pages, and you can always uncheck this if you want, but I checked it. I don't make templates, and I don't make my library. So it says maximum posts per type. I put 100, maximum was 250, because you're only gonna get, when AI tools want to take content from a website, they only take certain words. They're not gonna take the entire content. Okay, that's the typical, and that's just the truth. Another thing you can do, you can put include detailed content, so you can take more than that, but typically they'll only take just a bunch of words, so they won't go ahead and take your entire content. And then that's it right there. And you can also put custom LLMs content. No need to do all this for me. So let's see, you can disable no index header for llm.txt. No need. Let's see, if you go ahead and you this right here, what may end up happening is you may start creating duplicate pages, which you don't want. That's totally fine. So we're just gonna keep it like this. Just allow it to just stay like this, which is totally and absolutely fine. And you can always clear your cache if you feel like it's not working. I can always delete and recreate it. So these are two ways to install llms.txt your WordPress shop site. So these are the two ways to do it. And hopefully this video has helped you guys out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys next week.